is you're going to set it up first. Whatever unit you have up here, I don't care what it is, molecules, atoms, formula units, moles, cupcakes, I don't know, I don't care what it is. Whatever is up here, it's going to always go down here, that way you can cancel. Okay, so down here you're going to have molecules. Okay, now on top, you're going to always have the unit you're looking for. And since we're looking for moles, that's what's going to go up here. Now these numbers are going to come right from your conversion. For the mole unit, what's my number? What number's with the mole? What number is with the mole? 1. Mole has 1. That's it. That's all that's there, right? Okay. What number goes with molecules? The 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Very good. Okay. I'm running out of space. I'm getting... Ugh. That's too close. Okay, 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Okay, now because these units are right across opposite of each other, they cancel out, and your answer is going to be in moles. Okay, now take out your calculator. Let me pause for a minute. Something from the top part. Pick 1 through 5. Number 5. Okay. Number 5, they're giving you 0.35 moles, right? What are they looking for? What's your... How many molecules? Okay. So, whatever unit is up here, that goes where? Down on the bottom. We want moles, right? What we're looking for, which is the molecules, I'm running out of space. Let me write it sideways. Okay, the molecules goes on top. Now look at your conversion. What number goes with the molecules? What's your number for the molecules? What's on your conversion sheet? Guys, your conversion, 1 mole equals what? Yep, the 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Okay, now what goes with the mole? 1. Very good. And that's it. So now, this unit and this unit cancel out. This is going to give you your answer in molecules. Okay, I can't write standing up in the air. Okay, so now 0.35 times 6.02, don't forget the second button and then the EE button, 23. What is that going to equal to? Guys, let your fingers do walking. 0.35 times 6.02, second EE, 23. Remember the second button and then the EE button.
2.107.
Yep. And you can round that off to 2.1 times 10 to the what?
23rd.
To the 23rd. Very good. And this whole thing is your answer. Okay? Where are we stuck? Where are we confused? We got it? You're just basically multiplying or dividing. What tells you what to do is where the unit goes. Okay? It's super easy. So if you know if your molecules are on the top, you're going to multiply. If your molecules are on the bottom, then you're going to divide. You see that? Okay, go ahead and get started.